Hello everyone, I'm here with Mia, Bait, Cat, and Kane, and today we're going to be doing a Nerf battle game called Nerf Rivals. Are we ready, guys?
Yeah!
Yeah, ready! Yeah!
Guys!
Watch out!
Oh, no.
In the bed,
Mia,
in the bed,
you go,
in the
no,
bed,
no, no,
in the bed, in the bed,
Yes! That was it!
Oh.
No way!
Wait.
Okay, we got this in the bag. Let's do this. Actually, honestly, despawn this again. Retreat! Get me up!
Hey!
Kane!
No! God, just kill him! Just kill him!
Oh no!
Low it, low it, low it.
They're gonna jump us. They're ready to jump us. Down there.
Hey!
Kane, stay up here! Stay up here, Kane!
Cap down! Cap down!
Mia! Guys! Guys!
I'm about to die. Everyone! Oh no! Okay?
Oh,
Rush him!
no,
Rush him!
the pickle!
He's gonna get overwhelmed.
Okay, no.
Rush him! Rush him! Rush him! Cat rush!
How are we supposed to win this? You see, I'm not here! Ninja! Oh.
Yay!
No! Kane, you failed miserably. I can't rely on you anymore. Kane?
This is a
Oh,
great
no, I
hiding
lost
place.
Kane.
Nobody will find me.
Oh, you just scared the hell out of me! There's no, they're
I have a
upstairs.
bigger mag. Yeah, I can see it. I can see the Nerf gun. They behind us. They behind us. They in this room. They around this corner. I saw them. I saw the gun to the floor.
I knew it! Why not? Kane!
Wait. What?
3-5, 3-5.
Hey!
3-5, 3-5.
Kane, retreat! Kane, retreat! Retreat!
Rush him!
Rush him. Rush him.
Yes!
Guys! Just Kane! Rowdy,
Kane,
take off!
Kane, rest me!
No! Mia!
Come out, come out, come out, come out. Come on. Mia.
You never replaced me! You did nice. Yes! Right, we can't guard them, that's unfair. Let's go.
Wait, can we? It'll be funny.
I would say we did pretty decent in that one. Ah! Mia! She's in there! She's in the bed! Mia! Bad girl! Bad phone girl!
I'm not a phone girl.
Guys, it's a 3v2, we got this in the bag. Let's do this! Alright, everyone, should we just hide here? Let's just hide here. Guys,
I have a bigger
we'll
mag
just hide
around.
here. Guys, if we all hide here, then we can just keep rezzing each other. And
Yeah.
oh, this is decoration. Guys. Guys, I don't think hiding in the corner of the bathroom is in the bath. Legit, like the bath is going to be the best idea in this situation.
Yeah. There's one upstairs as well. There's a bathroom upstairs as well.
Woohoo! We're hiding.
No, we're not. We're definitely running around. Okay, Kane, go be bait. You're the one with the better gun. Go lure them over here. Did you know these are actually Cheez-Its and they taste really good? Try some. Tastes good, right? I know. Oh, tasty. Scrumptious.
They're camping on the stairs. They're camping on the stairs.
Let's push them. Let's go. Come on.
They might be on their way now.
Let's go!
Shut up.
We're hiding!
careful. They was camping right here.
Where's the other one, guys? Where's me?
You gotta kill him.
I'm trying. I'm trying. You raz. Whoa, you raz.
Oh, rest! That's what I realised. What?
I know he should have res me.
Alright, let's go team.
Where's the shotgun?
Oh, same spot, you kidding me? No! Why have I this shield? Everyone retreat! Everyone retreat! Everyone retreat!
Kane's dead. Get wild, keep going.
Kill Dad, he'll wild.
No.
Yes!
No.
Yes! Get your rest! We won!
How is that a daily challenge?
Crap, I'm rubbish.
Wait, what?
Yeah, this challenge isn't all that
We've
level.
I mean, what the hell? Why am I in here? You can hide in
by
the
one.
No, it's bad! Come on!
Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, cat?
Attack!
The cat's running. The cat's running. The cat's nearly dead.
Yes!
The cat's dead.
Get off!
Faith, he's gonna run.
Are you hiding me?
I'm
No, I'm
stronger
dead.
this way.
Well, okay, chill. I'm about to die. He's here. He's 1 HP. He's 1 HP.
Hey, I can't move.
Everyone, that is it. Hope you all enjoyed. So, what did you guys think?
It was
Yeah,
fun.
it was
It was really fun.
It's fun.
Everyone, that is it. Hope you enjoyed. There will be another video on screen of me looking through my staff storms. Bye!